If your adult child needs a safe space to avoid offensive words, you failed as a fucking parent. If anything in my seminar offends you, blame your parents for raising a pussy.
What's up, guys? Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for the information that I give you. Scratch my back, I scratch yours. Hit the like button, do all that wonderful stuff. Let's get started with the video. So I'm with my boy Clint. He just brought his bike over, which we've been working on for, God, months now, dude. Like 8 months. Process. 8 months, I feel like.
Waiting for something.
Yeah.
Waiting for parts.
Yeah. And we've just been slowly piecing it together and making her run good. And now it's on the road and it's ripping. So he just rode it. Well, you just put 15 miles on it easy, 20 miles.
The interstate for the first time in what? How many years?
Yeah, a year. So I wanted to do this video with you guys. We're going to clean this chain and we're going to do it properly for the first time. See if we can make this thing run better. So I know you guys haven't seen my new toys yet, but Dan bought new toys. And so we're going to use those new toys on his bike because that was the purpose of buying new toys. So we have a battery operated easy clean from Ryobi, which puts out 340 PSI, which isn't too shabby. Yeah, it's not too bad, right?
That thing's hardcore.
Isn't it? It's pretty sick, right? Then it just goes into a 5-gallon bucket and you start spraying. So I'm going to kick this off. What we're going to do is wet the chain down first. Then I'm going to put some dish soap on it. And then I have a chain cleaner over there. And we're going to show you guys how to use that. And then we're going to pressure wash the Dawn dish soap off after we're done so we can degrease the chain. And then we're going to blow dry it off. And then we're going to lubricate it. So we got a little process here. So the first thing we're going to do is get some water started. It'll take a second to get out the tip here. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. There it is. All right, so what I'm going to do is slowly spin this tire by hand. I mean, if you want to. I didn't want to get you wet. You got it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. All right, that should be good. Yeah, okay. I see a lot of the grease that we put on there last time moved over. So now what we're going to do, guys,
Wet now.
yeah, is we're going to Dawn dish soap this guy here. I'm going to put some in my bucket and just kind of rub the brush around a little bit. We're going to Dawn dish soap. This is a brush cleaner. If you guys have never seen this, a chain cleaner. What you do is you put a bunch of Dawn on it. You get it all nice and soaped up real thoroughly. What's up? We got everybody coming. And then you just slap it right on here and you spin the chain like so.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I just rolled it over here.
First big ride on the highway. He's feeling manly today. Oh. All right. Let's grease it up again here with some more Dawn. Pretty neat little thing, huh?
Yeah, dude. I feel like you had something else the other time I was over, like that we ran. It was, I don't know if it's that or similar. I don't know. Maybe you did use this on the other one.
I think I did. I've had this one for a while.
Hey, stop. So then you rinse it completely off again?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we're going to blow it off. There we go. That'll help get all the extra grease, dirt, grime, all that stuff out of there. Beautiful. So we'll let that sit on there for...
the underside of the chain? Does it make any sense to kind of go...
I mean, but the stuff is leaking down, so it really won't make a difference. Okay, guys, we decided to wash the whole bike while we were sitting here, so there you go. Matter of fact, let's put this on rinse. Oh yeah, look at all that rust just in chain grease and goop. You see it? Pouring down there as I do that. Yeah. That made a big difference. Okay.
Well,
Blow me. No.
That's the thumbnail.
Got it? That's pretty good. Okay. Yeah, well, it's always going to retract some from the gear up there, but yeah. Okay, guys, as soon as you're done cleaning, and it actually looks way better than it did, I promise you it does. You get yourself some chain lube. I use Lucas because it's really good. He's going to spin it pretty fast. There we go, and I'm going to light it up. I'm going to do the back first and the front. There we go, and then we'll do the middle. Little zigzaggy motion here. He's going to spin that again for a sec. Ooh, it already sounds smoother. Listen to that, folks. Yeah, it sounds way better.
Holy smoke. Hey there, how you doing?
And that's how you do it, guys. Okay, so we washed it and did all that, and the chain is now lubed, and it's definitely much quieter. If you guys wanted to know how to lubricate a chain, listen to it. You can barely hear it. That is the sign of a chain that is happy right now. If you would have heard this before we got started, it was a very, it was a very noisy chain. It's way happier now that it's had the grit, grime, all that stuff cleaned off of it. A lot of the rust came off with it. And this is honestly just the first cleaning it's going to have. It's going to have another one down the road here a little bit. And every time we do this, it's going to get a little better. So, yeah, it's in good hands now. This bike has had a questionable life before we got our hands on it. It's been an eight-month project, my man. He's happy. First day on the road, rippage. He's having a good time. And I couldn't ask for a day to go out. Dude, I'm telling you. Looks so clean. So we're actually going to start riding together here. I'm going to pull out the 13 at some point. We're going to go take a nice cruise. He's going to get used to the power of the 600 and have some fun on this thing. And it's going to be a day of rippage. So there will be a day of rippage. I love it. All right, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hey.
You could be anywhere in the world right now.
But
you're right here with us.
exactly. Right now. Later.